Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you how you can make your letters bounce around in your animated name or word project. So, for example, when I click on the sprite, I want to make it move, and I'm just going to have it move 10 steps, and I'm going to have it move forever. Okay, so when I click on the A, because it's going to move all around, oops, it helps if I put it inside of it. Now it's going to move forever. Cool, but I want to actually make it so that it bounces around if it's on the edge. So we can use this block, if on edge bounce, boing. Now it's going to bounce around, but it's bouncing upside down. So one way that I can actually fix this is to say, hey, I only want it to bounce left and right. So I can say when I click on the sprite, or even when the green flag is clicked, make it so that it only bounces left and right. But if you do like it to bounce all around, just make it all around. Okay, this is cool, but now when I stop my project or press the green flag, my letter A is way over there, and I don't like that. So I want to actually have my letter A right here. So to do that, I need to know what the coordinates are. So all I have to do is move it to the correct location, like this. And then I can simply tell it to go to this location when I press the green flag. Okay? And now because my sprite is upside down, by the way, I can reset it. Whoops, I'm not using that block. I'm using the blocks over here by pointing in the correct direction. So now when I press the green flag, it's always going to face the correct direction. And then when I click, it's going to bounce around. Now, if you want it to bounce rather than just back and forth, you could actually change the angle of this. So maybe, for instance, you want to point in direction 60. And then when you click on it, it's going to like move up, and then it's going to bounce around like this. Okay, so I just demonstrated some of the motion blocks that you can use, but there's a lot of really cool motion blocks that you can experiment with to get your sprite to move around. So have some fun experimenting with these and adding them to your letters in your project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.